To dear students, faculty, parents, and esteemed guests, good day, everyone. It is with great pride and joy that I welcome you all to this significant occasion, the Recognition Day of our students here at Lyceum of Tingloy de San Roque Incorporated. Today, we gather to celebrate and honor the remarkable achievements, hard work, and dedication of our students. This day is not a graduation, but a recognition of the milestone they have reached on the journey towards academic excellence and personal growth. To our STEAM students, today is a testament of your resilience and determination. Over the year, you have demonstrated outstanding effort and commitment to your studies. Your pursuit of excellence and knowledge, coupled with your involvement in various school activities, has brought you to this moment of recognition. Whether you are receiving an award of academic excellence or for academic excellence, leadership, or exceptional participation in extracurricular activities, its accolade reflects your hard work and dedication. To the parents and guardians, your supports and encouragement have been instrumental in your children's success. Your unwavering belief in their abilities and your constant guidance have provided them with the strength to persevere and excel. We share this proud moment with you and extend our heartfelt gratitude for your role in their achievements. To our dedicated faculty and staff, thank you for your unwavering commitment to our students' education and personal development. Your passion for teaching and your dedication to nurturing our students have created a supportive and enriching learning environment. Your efforts have played a critical role and vital role in guiding our students towards their achievement. As we celebrate the accomplishment of our students, I encourage each of you to continue striving for excellence. Remember that this recognition is not the end, but a milestone on your journey. Let this day inspire you to set higher goals, pursue new challenges, and continue growing both academically and personally. Congratulations to all our awardees. You have made us proud, and we look forward to seeing you continue to shine in your future endeavors. Keep up the excellent work and continue to embody the values of integrity, perseverance, and excellence that we hold there at Lyceum of Tingloy de San Roque Incorporated. Thank you, and may you all have a bright and successful future ahead. Warmest regards, everyone.